Hi friends, welcome to AMG World, and here I am with a new topic related to geography, which falls under general studies, which are related to competitive exams. And here our topic is India location and surrounding nations. Here the diagram of India, and I forget to draw highlights. Here Andaman Nicobar will come, and here Sri Lanka and some islands comes here called Lakadweep. India location. Where do India is located in the globe? So India located in northeast hemisphere. Let me explain with a diagram. So here consider this one as a globe, this one as a globe, and here comes the 0 degrees longitude, and here 0 degrees latitude. As I said, the India is located in northeast portion of the globe. This is the north, this is the south, west and east. So northeast portion, here in this particular portion the India is located. So how can we say that India is located in this particular location? So by observing the latitudes, longitudes which are touching the extreme points of extreme points of India, by observing these things we can say that India is located in this particular place. So what are those latitudes and longitudes being touching the extreme points of India? Before going to that, we should know that what are latitudes, what are longitudes. So latitudes are the lines which are drawn horizontally on the globe. These are latitudes. These are imaginary lines. And here, what are longitudes? Longitudes are lines which are drawn, vertically on the globe. So by observing that which latitude is connected, just touching the extreme points, by observing those latitudes and longitudes, we can say that India is present in this particular place, right? So here, what are the latitudes and longitudes touching the extreme points of India? So let's see. So here, the extreme point and the extreme point, and here one is the extreme point, one extreme point present. Here also there is one extreme point, because the Nicobar Islands gone a little bit deeper in the Indian Ocean than the mainland. So here, the latitude present here is 8 degrees 4 minutes. 8 degrees 4 minutes. India spread from 8 degrees 4 minutes. So I am talking about the mainland of India. I am not considering islands. I am talking about mainland of India. India spread from 8 degrees 4 minutes to 37 degrees 6 minutes. 37 degrees 6 minutes. And here, latitude, longitudinal spread. India spread from 78 degrees 6 minutes to 97 degrees 25 minutes. 97 degrees 25 minutes. By seeing these, latitude and longitude, we can say that India is present in this particular position. So this one is eastern side, and this one also eastern side. This is north side. This is also north side. How can we say that the particular latitude, longitude, this particular longitude is present in eastern side of India? Because we have Greenwich meridian. So GMT, which is passes through the Britain, 0 degree latitude, this one also called as 0 degree longitude, longitude, is present at west side of India. This means we are present east side of this particular GMT, right? So here we can, so by seeing this, the India is present eastern side of GMT. So how can we say that India is present in northern hemisphere? by just seeing that the latitudes. Actually, this one is 8 degrees 4 minutes, which means we have 8 degrees longitudes are present bottom of this particular one. So we have 0 degrees equator here, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that 8.4, which means this one is the equator, and north side of equator the India location comes. So by seeing this, we can come to know that India is located in the north hemisphere of the globe, and by observing this particular longitudes, we can say that India is present in eastern side. So with this we can confirm that India located in northeastern hemisphere. So we present here. So northern and eastern, northeastern hemisphere. And let's go to the extreme points of India. Where do this particular latitudes and longitudes touches the extreme points of India? So here one extreme point comes, and here also one extreme point comes, here one point comes, and here also one point comes, and here also one point comes. So friends, here this particular point is called as Indira Col. So Indira Col. This particular point called as Indira Col. The northmost point of India is Indira Col, which falls in Himalayas, which falls in Ladakh region, and the bottommost extreme portion of mainland. I am talking about mainland. I have not considered islands yet. I am talking about mainland. The bottommost point of India, mainland. But if we consider the mainland, the bottommost point is Kanyakumari. If we consider the islands, we have an island here, Great Nicobar. So we have Andaman Nicobars, Middle Andaman. So I will go through the details of this particular islands in the next upcoming videos. This video is just about India location and surrounding nations. So here the latitude, the extreme point of India, if we consider these islands, is Indira Point. So Indira Point. Here Indira Col, and here comes Indira Point. So Indira Point is the southernmost extreme point of India. So here we consider the islands of India. Here this point is present in Nicobar Islands. Right? Here this is the Indira Point and this is the Indira Col. And this point is also called as Pygmalion Point, Lehenching Point. So this particular Indira Point called as Lehenching Point and Pygmalion Point. And here at the northmost point of India, the extreme northmost point of India is Indira Col, where 37 degrees 6 minutes touches. So here 6 degrees 45 minutes. See here how much difference, 8 degrees and 4 minutes. There will be 111 kilometers gap between two latitudes. There may not be and two latitudes and two longitudes also having 111 kilometers distance, but this distance is different if we travel from equator to pole, pole to equator. But latitudes are not like that. Latitudes are circles. These are parallel circles. So any two latitudes, if we consider any two latitudes, the distance between two latitudes is 111 kilometers. So 111 kilometers. Observe this here and here. How much difference is there? India extends around 400 kilometers deep in the Indian Ocean. If we consider this particular Nicobar Island as our extreme point. So this is about extreme point of India if we consider the latitudes. If we consider the longitudes, what are the extreme points? Here comes one point which falls in Gujarat and which touches 78 degrees 6 minutes eastern longitude. Here the point is Sar Creek, a run of Kutch. Here the peak called Guru Med Shikhar. Here the peak which present at this extreme point is Guru Med Shikhar. The western extreme most point of India is Guru Med Shikhar. the eastern extrememost point. What is the eastern extrememost point? Here, this point falls under Gujarat. Here, the point falls under Arunachal Pradesh. So, Arunachal Pradesh. Here, the point considered as Dhang Peak. Actually, Dhang is a district which present in Arunachal Pradesh. Here, a pass present. Pass means a narrow gap between two mountains. It's a natural path created by nature for transportation. A narrow pass created. The pass name is Dwipu Pass or Dilpu Pass, Kibitu Pass. So we can call it as with these three names: Dwipu Pass, Dilpu Pass, or Kibitu Pass. So here comes the extreme point. So eastern extreme point falls in Arunachal Pradesh. This is about extreme points of India. And let's see countries which surrounding India. So here we have Pakistan, and here we have Afghanistan, and here we have China, here we have Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh, right? So there will be 7 countries: Pakistan, Afghanistan 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 neighboring countries. Actually, here the point comes: the state which state having border with which country. So it's important to know that. So we have Gujarat. Here Gujarat sharing border with Pakistan, and here we have Rajasthan, which is also sharing border with Pakistan. And here comes Punjab, and Jammu Kashmir is no more state here. No more state now. It has been considering considered as union territory, and it has bifurcated in Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Jammu Kashmir having Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh having borders, international border with Pakistan. Here comes 5 places. So here Afghanistan. Let's go in detail. So Pakistan, the Rajasthan is the state which having longest border with Pakistan, and the Pakistan having totally the border length of 3323 kilometers. This is the 3323 kilometers. And Afghanistan having least border with India, with Ladakh, with only 106 kilometers. And here China, and next we have China. China have border with Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and next we have Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh. These are the 4. So including Ladakh, if we consider Ladakh, we have around the border length of 3488 kilometers. And next we have Nepal having border with the Indian states of Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, and Bihar. Here comes Sikkim. So this is also with 1756 kilometers. So next comes Bhutan. So Bhutan having border with, here Assam comes, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, West Bengal, and Sikkim. Bhutan with 699 kilometers. Okay friends, sorry for the interruption. And here comes the Bhutan. So Bhutan with an extent of border 699 kilometers. And next we have Myanmar, it's touching Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland. Here comes Manipur and Mizoram. So Mizoram. These 4 Indian states touching the Myanmar territories. And Bangladesh, we have Meghalaya and West Bengal. Here comes Tripura and Mizoram. So Mizoram, that's the Manipur, and this is the bordering countries. All 17 Indian states are touching the borders of international countries. 7 international countries. This is about India location and surrounding nations, and we have covered the extreme points also. Up to here, I hope I have covered all the topics. Sorry, not all the topic. Of this particular topic, I think everything is completed. So if any particulars left, we'll cover in the next video. And I hope this video is gonna useful for you. And stay tuned to the AMG World. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon. Thank you. Thank you for watching.